Now we have proved that the given functions are functionally dependent. Let us try to find out the relation between the functions. Relations among the given functions. Now we have to find the relation among the given functions. So u is equal to given y plus z, v is given by x plus 2z square, and w is given by x minus 4yz minus 2y square. So now we have to establish the relation between u, v, w. So how to do it? Just look here. If we subtract w from v, what will happen? That this x will cancel. If you subtract, this will what? It is minus, minus, plus, and plus. So v minus w, which is equal to 2z square, or we can write down 2z square plus 2yz plus y square. And this is nothing but 2 times of y plus z whole square, and we can write down this is 2u square. So now in this manner we are able to establish the relation between u, v, w. So now let us subtracting 3 by 2. This 3, equation 3 can be subtracted from equation number 2. So v minus w is x plus 2z square minus of x minus 4yz minus 2y square. And just look here, this x and this minus x will cancel. We have 2z square, and this minus minus will become plus, and this will also become plus. This 2 will cancel. 2z square plus 4yz plus 2y square. Now if we take 2 outside, this is 2z square plus 4yz plus 2y square. If we take 2 outside, it is z square plus 2yz plus y square, or we can write down y plus z whole square. But what is y plus z? It is nothing but u. So we can write down 2u square. Hence, v minus w equal to 2u square is the relation among the given functions u, v, and w. This is the desired relation among the given functions. Thank you.